gonna do Rolling Stones, Lovin' Cup. The song starts on D, goes to C. That's the verse. D. Come on up. And then it goes C, G. C, G. F, C, G. F, C, G. So that's the verse structure. And then this is the bridge. E minor, D, C, 5. I tried to sing, I did a lesson and I sang the song and I got hit with a copyright claim. So that's why I'm not doing the vocals. Anyway, so E minor. Tonight, in front of fire. So it does that a couple times, and then it goes to B flat. And then it goes back into the verse. D, C, G. Now it finishes up like it's finishing the verse. And then at the end, they go from that F, and then they go to the G. And they go, at the end of the song, they go F to C, like we've been doing, but then when they go to G, they stay on it. And this little move is C, and then we're playing B flat on the 3rd fret. What those are both are like an A chord, but we're going to move it to the 5th, play it with our ring finger. We're just strumming D, G, B. Then we go 3rd with our index, and then we go back to the G. I'm doing syncopated strumming, so my hand is going like this. So when I play the G, I'm just pressing down, and then I release, and you're just playing those scratch tones. Just gotta practice that and get a feel for it. Okay, have fun playing that one. Thanks for watching. Bye.